Hey guys, I get so many comments on my bold eye look, but you guys are like, I don't know if I can pull that off. I can't pull it off. You can pull it off, and I'm gonna show you how. First step are the brows. You want your brows to be as groomed as humanly possible. I love using my little eyebrow shaper and aloe vera just so I can get my eyebrows nice and shaped and even. And if you can't get it all the way straight across, you can always give it a little snipperoo. Next we're going to use this eyebrow gel from Magic Collection, and you want your eyebrows to be super sleek and put together. Look at the brush head, like this is so different. It's made so that you can have more of like a natural brow yet still sleek. Now I'm going to clean these bushy brows up with some concealer. So guys, before I even get started, look at this Game of Thrones palette from Urban Decay. Look at this, look at this. Super cool, right? I like to start with like a color that's like my skin tone, but a little bit more emphasized. Just gonna pop that above the lid, nothing too crazy. Next step is adding metallics to your eyes. I feel like metallics just really make your eyes pop even more. I'm just gonna create like a little cut crease. Now I'm gonna use the shade Desert Sand and complete the other half of my cut crease. I'm gonna go ahead and place a base for my glitter. If you're doing like a beginner's bold eye look, you can just kind of go ahead and do like a neutral look and then just add like a pop of color or glitter or something, or both, and you really look like you know you're bold, like you know you're doing it, but you're kind of like playing it safe but kind of doing it at the same time, you know? I'm gonna go in with this pressed glitter palette by Magic Collection. Look at these shades, they're so beautiful. And I'm gonna press this blue right underneath my eye. Step 4, no bold eye look is complete without lashes. These are luxurious Real Mink lashes, multi-layer 3D, and they are so stunning. So we're done with the eyes, but we're not done with creating the whole bold eye look. Next step is to get a flawless foundation look. I'm using this primer oil with rose oil from Magic Collection. I'm just gonna put a few drops on my face, not too much. This is really nourishing. Oh guys, it makes your face feel amazing, so soft. I'm just using this orange corrector from LA Girl, and I'm just placing it everywhere where I have like really dark, well not everywhere, I'm just placing it some places where I have really dark marks so that it can just kind of neutralize the color. Next, I'm going to find my foundation shade in this line from Magic Collection, and I'm super excited. It's supposed to be natural looking but full coverage, and you know I'm here for the full coverage. And this is just so I can get a nice even base, and it's going to make my eyes pop even more. It's like a perfect match to my skin tone. So I'm going to highlight and contour my face, and I'll be back with the final step. And last but not least, the simple lip. So when it comes to doing a bold eye for beginners, you definitely want to go with a more neutral lip. So what I'm just going to do is line my lips just using a brown lip liner. And it automatically just gives my lips some pop, but nothing too crazy. And just kind of smush that together. And I'm just going to go in with my gloss from Magic Collection. This is the Argan Oil Lip Gloss. It goes on so smoothly. It goes a long way, but I always go extra. And this lip gloss doesn't have any sort of, it's not sticky at all, it's just mad glossy. And that's basically it, but I feel like we can do one little pop of color in the inside because I just don't feel like we have enough color going on here. So I'm gonna use this gorgeous purple lilac-y color. I'm just gonna place it right there. And now you're a beautiful tropical bird and you're carrying it boldly and confidently. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if any of these tips were helpful.